Happy Saturday. Welcome to this week's cleaning motivation. I have 5 tips on how to organize your kitchen cabinet. My last video was drawer organizing, so if you missed that video, I will make sure I leave that down below in the comment section. In this video, I chose to organize my kitchen cabinet, bowls, plates, containers, and jars. Making it so hard for me, I think I need a vacation. The first tip I have is to rethink and decide how do you want your cabinet to look like. Whatever you do, make sure it is pleasing to you. Give some inspiration. You can check on the internet, Google it, or you can even get on Pinterest. Tip 2. Start organizing based on category. So the first thing I started with is my water bottle containers that I got at Walmart for just $1. They're usually supposed to be in my refrigerator, but for a long time I have not been on my journey of healthy and weight loss. I don't even know what I'm supposed to. Once you organize everything based on category, right now I'm just trying to see what can fit in the refrigerator or not. But once you do category, then you can decide what needs to be in the trash, what do you need to give away, based on if it's in good shape or not. Making it so hard for me, I think I need a vacation. 'Cause all we ever do now is complaining. I've been getting tired of it lately. Feels like we're battling. Maybe it's better if we're on our own. We are a family of 4, so we don't need a lot of plates and bowls. Most of our meals comes from using the meal prep containers, which I'm getting back in routine to do. But I learned that it's better when you use your meal prep containers and you're not using it right now and you want storage in the cabinet, go ahead and make sure you have the tops on top of your containers. And then that takes more space, and then that can tell you how much you need to keep and how much you need to give away. Number 4, I will say utilize all your cabinet spaces. The cabinets that I avoid is above the oven and the refrigerator, only because it's harder to get to those areas. But I have jars that I collected that I'm deciding that that's where I'm going to put them. We're both lost at a day. Tip number 4, choose a color theme. My favorite color is pink, my husband's favorite color is red, and my oldest daughter that is 11 years old, her favorite color is light blue. And so I make sure I have those colors in the kitchen, but I still feel like I need to narrow it down to just one color, one theme, one style. And I'm telling you, when I get to that point, it's gonna be so pleasing. But right now, that's what we're doing. Craving that is knocking you out. They got me when I'm not holding you tight. Cause the distance feeds your limit, alright. And you love it. It's sick and difficult. So fancy when I'm in the spotlight. I'm still going my privacy.
skin. You just wanna dream of sin. Sickness floating in our veins. Players in a spotlight game. So fancy when I'm in the spotlight. I'm sitting up in the privacy. A craving that is knocking you out. Just getting visions from my family. Make a hunger when I'm not holding you tight. Taking your eyes and you love it. Cause the distance feeds you live it alright. Taking your eyes and you love it. All of the snow in this winterland used to look so pretty, now making me moody. In the deep woods, alone with my feels, spend too much time thinking. In the end, you'll be with me. Maybe I'm just getting it now. Time I took a little time out.
So I have dishes I need to do, but this is way better. And these will be in the refrigerator, so I'm not worried about this right now. Here I need to start using my bottles I got from Walmart and empty these carts. It doesn't look as aesthetic, so I want to empty these quarts and put it in here. And my last tip is recycle your jars. I develop a passion and a desire to collect my jars that come from the spaghetti sauce and the cheese jars because I can do all types of DIY projects. For a very long time, I wasn't able to conceive, and so I used to use my jars as an idea to collect money and deciding that one day I'm going to be buying my daughter or son all types of baby stuff. So yes, every time I go grocery shopping, I do get excited that another trip I'm going to be keeping and collecting another jar. I have this love for jars, just like my mom. I recently got about 12 jars from my best friend. She made nachos for her baby shower, and I have so many jars that I have to give it to my mom, which she has developed a passion for jars too because she likes to make candles. Me, I like to put flowers in my jars and put my name on every jar, and it just turns out really nice and pretty. But if you get on Pinterest, you can come up with so many ideas on what you can do with jars. But mostly I think that people keep mason jars. I keep Prego spaghetti sauce jars. Today I had a Walmart pickup, and so I had to put up all the groceries with my special helper, which is my daughter, and we just put away about $200 to $300 worth of groceries and put them away. I also cooked and did a load of laundry. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. As a stay-at-home wife and mother, I am busy every single day, and I just love to take you guys with that journey with me.